Hello everyone. Today actually we are going to discuss a question from set theory. So this type of questions are likely to come for your semester examination. That is why today we are going to discuss this particular problem. So as you can see here, in a survey of 500 students of a college, it was found that 49% liked watching football, 53% liked watching hockey, and 62% liked watching basketball. Also, 27% liked watching football and hockey both, 29% liked watching basketball and hockey both, and 28% liked watching football and basketball both. 5% liked watching none of these games. So the question is, how many students like watching all three games? So here actually we can solve this particular problem using Venn diagram. At the same time, we can simply use one formula of set theory to solve this question. So you see, we can form three different sets here. One is 49% liked watching football. So this is one set. So definitely you see, if you consider total 500 students in the college, then 49% of 500 students will give you the answer that how many students are actually liking football. Similarly, in case of 53% liked watching hockey. So here my first objective is to form three different sets. So let's form it. So let's come to the solution of this question. As you can see here, I have defined three different sets. One is F, another one is H, and the last one is B. Representing students those who like football, representing students those who like hockey, and this is for basketball. So the concept of cardinality here, if we define it, so n of f, that means how many elements or how many students are there in the set f, it is 245. So from the given information, we have calculated 245 students actually like this football. Similarly, 265 students, those who like hockey, and 310 students, those who like basketball. Now let's move to another part of the question, which is n of f intersection b. So in the question you see, an information is given, students those who like football and hockey both, football and basketball both, football and hockey and basketball both. So here f intersection b means, if this is intersection, f intersection b means students those who like football and basketball both. Similarly, students those who like basketball and hockey both. Students those who like football and basketball both. So these are the few things which you need to remember while solving this particular type of question. Now let's move to the last part of the question. So let's move to the last part of the question. As you can see here, 5% students like none of the three games. That means what? 95% students like at least one of the three games. So if you calculate 95% of the total number of students, that means of 500, so you will be getting the value as 475. So now the formulation, n of f union h union b. What does it mean? That means students, number of students rather, those who like at least one of the three games. So n of f union h union b equals to, as per the formula we know that we can write it as n of f plus n of h plus n of b minus n of f intersection h minus n of b intersection h minus n of f intersection b plus n of f intersection h intersection b. So here we have got all the values. You see, this is 475. Earlier we have got the value of n of f as 245, the value of n of h as 265, and the value of n of b as 310. Well, so the last part of the formula, which is n of f intersection h intersection b, it means number of students, those who like all three games. Here the basic difference between n of, when you are considering n of f union h union b, it means at least one of the three games, and it means all three games. So let's calculate the value of n of f intersection h intersection b, and it is coming as 75. So this 75 means 50% of the total number of students. Thank you.